In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to take you through two variations of how you can do a shoulder press in a neutral position. So firstly, we've got to worry about getting the shoulder press up into the right position. So because we've got a neutral grip, the elbows are going to be in towards the body. So you're going to start off with the elbows nice and narrow. I've got my palms facing towards each other. And what I'm going to do here is start off actually by doing what's called a hammer curl. So many of you might know that as a bicep curl movement. So I'm going to bring the weights directly up. So thumb is going to come into a position where it's the highest point of my hand. And then I bring my elbows up. So from a side-on position, that hammer curl, elbows up. And notice here, I've actually got these weights resting on my shoulders. The elbows are nice and close, tucked into the body. And then from this position, if you don't have great shoulder mobility, just come straight up and back down. And that would be one repetition, controlling both the upwards and lowering phases of the exercise. If you have really good shoulder mobility, when you're in this position and you're bracing your core and squeezing your glutes, you might come up and you might go, actually, I can bring the weights to this position without putting excess strain on my lower back. So coming not only directly up, but above the shoulder joint. If you can't do that, and when you do this point, you're cheating with the lower back, just come into a position where you've got those elbows tucked in and you do each repetition, but out in front, vertically up, as opposed to coming all the way up into that full shoulder flexion. That would be how you do a neutral grip shoulder press, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.